Hello guys, I'm briefly going to explain how to use iMovie. The way to get started is after you click on iMovie, click on Create New and it will be able to open you a new page. Next you have to import your media, but before that let's just add a quick title on there. Let's pick this. Let's see, this is so hard to pick. There's so many. I'm gonna go with this one. And as you kind of roll over, it's going to show you how it's going to look. And I kind of like this one, or maybe this one looks a little more fun. So just scroll it down. Go ahead, write your title. So I'm just going to name it My Era. After you do that, you can definitely pick from different types of backgrounds, but I'm just going to keep it as is. And you see it just does that little move right there. Later on, we have to add our media, such as our pictures and videos. So let's go ahead and import some media. I'm going to pick these pictures which were on there. This is my drone video that I've recorded. So let me just add that on there. And as you see, they're right there. And slowly, I'm going to bring them down to the side. And finally, I'm going to bring down my video, which is 4 minutes long, but I obviously can cut that, okay? Next thing that I want you guys to have is to add transitions. Basically, this means how each slide will pass through. So you can use any of these that are listed here. I'm going to go with this little page turner right here. Just add it on between and let's see how it looks. Did it not do it? Let's hold on. Let's add another one. Maybe I just didn't do it right. Yes, that worked. Okay, so make sure you have your slides for each page, or your transitions for each page. Let me use this one next. One more time. Let's see. Yes, that worked. If you have a video that's too long, just like this one, you can cut this video. And if you would like to add some sound on the back, you can click on audio and there are different ones that you can choose from. And you can also listen to it before you add it in there. So for example, if you want to add something long, it already has a times for you. So maybe look for something that's, like a minute longer. And if you click right here, you're also going to be able to hear the song. I hope this was help. I can't wait to see your projects.